Hi and welcome to another low effort unboxing. My name is Benjamin and together with my cat Chappy, we are here to unbox a new M3 Max 14-inch MacBook Pro. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we just picked this up from the Apple Store earlier today and here it is. It comes in the new space black color. So that's how you know you are using the new one. And if I turn over to the flip side, you can see the specs. We opted for the model with 64GB of RAM, 2TB SSD, and M3 Max with the maximum configuration. So that's 16 CPU cores and 40 GPU cores. Now this cost us quite a bit of money, so I propose not to go into that. But for now, let's just unbox it and see where that gets us. Chappy, where are you going, Chappy? Chappy, come. No, Chappy. No, Chappy. I can't run away. Okay, I guess she's not interested in the unboxing. Okay, so well, it's quite straightforward. All you need to do is just pull these little strips here. So, just... I was thinking whether I should have cut it instead of pulling it. I'm going to just pull, okay? And then just pull this one here as well. Okay, and now I guess flip it over and slowly lift up the cover. This is actually my first 14-inch laptop because previously I've only ever used the big boys, 16 inches. So here it is. I think by now it's very obvious to everyone how this works. You just pull up this tab and then it comes out. It feels so small, 14-inch laptop, but apparently according to notebookcheck.com, it's the most powerful 14-inch laptop in terms of CPU performance that you can find. So this is a laptop. I'm just going to put this here and you can see that we have a nice new braided MagSafe cable. I love that this generation of MacBooks brought back the MagSafe. I used to use MagSafe back in school and it was such a nice thing to have. But after a while they went through that you know, the dark ages where they were just using USB-C for everything and all the ports were USB-C. So we have moved on from there, thankfully. And now, so under that, you see here, there's a charger. Strangely, the charger is white. I don't know why they couldn't have made it black like the wire, oh well. And also the brick here, the charger. Here, we probably have some manuals. I'm not too interested in that. So I'm just gonna put that here. And I'm just gonna put this box back here. Alright, so time to open the Mac. Take it out of its sleeve and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so just peeling this, and peeling this. Wow, look at that. It has MacBook Pro at the bottom. I don't think this was there on my older Retina 2014 model. Wow, come to think of it, my last MacBook Pro was a 2014 MacBook Pro that I bought way back then. 10 years later, I have now gotten a MacBook Pro again, smaller one, 14-inch, an order of magnitude more powerful. So these are the, just going to put this here. Wow, take a look at that. It's supposedly space black, but it's clearly not as black as my granite table. In fact, this looks more grey than black. Just give me a moment to put away this flapping thing. Okay, so now let's flip it up and see how it goes. Look. And as usual, I always love how it turns on when you open it automatically. Some things haven't changed in the past 10 years. And it says, hello. So what do we see from the Mac? We can see, well, the ports at the side. So if you look on this side, you see there's MagSafe port, 2 USB 4 Thunderbolt ports, 3.5mm port. And on this side, we see there's a HDMI port, like my old 2014 MacBook Pro, a USB-C 4 Thunderbolt port, as well as the SD card slot. Now Shopee is very interested not in the MacBook, but in the packaging of the MacBook. Okay. And first impressions, well, feels quite light for a 14-inch. Definitely not as light as a MacBook Air, but feels sturdy and reassuringly well made. I like the design. And okay, that's all for now. Thank you for viewing another low effort unboxing video by Benjamin. And I'll see you in the next one, if there is a next one. Goodbye. Tapi, tasty ah. Huh?